Plant FAQs. Bidens Ferulifolia, Threadleaf Bidens, Bidens Aurea. If you're as passionate about gardening as I am, you've probably come across Bidens Ferulifolia, synonym of Bidens Aurea, also known as the spider flower or threadleaf bidens. This plant has a way of catching your eye with its vibrant blooms and cascading habit. Here's a comprehensive guide to answering some of the most frequently asked questions about this charming perennial. Is Bidens Ferulifolia a perennial? Yes, Bidens Ferulifolia is indeed a perennial. This means it can come back year after year, adding a touch of color to your garden each season. It's known for its resilience and ability to thrive in various conditions, which makes it a favorite among gardeners. However, the plant's hardiness can vary depending on your climate. In colder regions, it may be treated as an annual or require winter protection. How to grow Bidens Ferulifolia. Growing Bidens Ferulifolia is quite straightforward. Start by choosing a spot that gets plenty of sunlight. This plant loves full sun, and the more light it gets, the more it will bloom. It's also quite tolerant of poor soil, though it prefers well-drained soil with good fertility. To start growing, you can sow seeds directly into the soil after the last frost, or start them indoors 6 to 8 weeks before the last frost date. If you're using seeds, lightly cover them with soil and keep them moist until they germinate. Transplant seedlings outside once they have a few sets of leaves and the weather is warm enough. Bidens Ferulifolia can also be grown from cuttings. Simply take a 4 to 6 inch cutting from a healthy plant, remove the lower leaves, and place the cutting in a pot with moist potting soil. Keep it in a warm, sunny location until roots develop. How to deadhead Bidens Ferulifolia. Deadheading is essential for keeping your Bidens Ferulifolia blooming profusely. To deadhead, simply remove the spent flowers before they go to seed. This will encourage the plant to produce more blooms and maintain its tidy appearance. You can do this by pinching off the dead flowers with your fingers or using pruning shears for a cleaner cut. Regular deadheading will also help to prevent the plant from becoming leggy and will prolong its flowering season. How to care for Bidens Ferulifolia. Caring for Bidens Ferulifolia is relatively easy. Here are a few tips. Watering. Keep the soil consistently moist, especially during dry periods. However, avoid waterlogging, as this can lead to root rot. Fertilizing. A balanced, all-purpose fertilizer applied every 4 to 6 weeks during the growing season will help keep your plant healthy and blooming. Pruning. Besides deadheading, you can lightly trim the plant to promote a bushier growth habit and remove any leggy or unruly stems. Can you grow Bidens Ferulifolia indoors? While Bidens Ferulifolia is typically grown outdoors, it can be grown indoors if you provide it with sufficient light. A south-facing window or grow lights can help simulate the full sun it craves. Ensure good air circulation around the plant and maintain a warm, consistent temperature. Is Bidens Ferulifolia toxic? Good news for pet owners. Bidens Ferulifolia is not toxic to dogs or cats. This makes it a safe choice for households with furry friends. It's always wise, however, to discourage pets from chewing on plants, as even non-toxic plants can sometimes cause mild digestive upset if ingested in large amounts. What to plant with Bidens Ferulifolia? Bidens Ferulifolia pairs well with a variety of other plants. For a vibrant garden, consider combining it with other sun-loving annuals like petunias, marigolds, or salvia. Its cascading habit also complements upright plants such as geraniums or snapdragons, creating a dynamic and visually appealing garden bed. Benefits of Bidens Ferulifolia. One of the greatest benefits of Bidens Ferulifolia is its long blooming period. From spring to frost, it provides continuous color and interest in your garden. Its cascading growth habit makes it perfect for hanging baskets, window boxes, and container gardening. Additionally, its low maintenance requirements and tolerance for various soil conditions make it an excellent choice for busy gardeners. Common problems and solutions. While Bidens Ferulifolia is relatively trouble-free, it can occasionally face some issues. Pests. Watch out for aphids and spider mites, which can sometimes infest the plant. Insecticidal soap or neem oil can help control these pests. Diseases. Ensure proper spacing and air circulation to prevent fungal diseases such as powdery mildew. Avoid overhead watering to reduce humidity around the plant. How to propagate Bidens Ferulifolia. Propagation can be done through seeds or cuttings. Seeds can be sown directly into the soil or started indoors. For cuttings, Take a healthy 4 to 6 inch stem, remove the lower leaves, and place it in a pot with moist soil. Keep it warm and well lit until roots form. Compare with other similar plants. Bidens ferulifolia is often compared to other flowering perennials like Bidens aurea, golden goddess, and Bidens Hopley's purple. While all Bidens varieties offer vibrant blooms and a trailing habit, Bidens ferulifolia stands out for its finely divided foliage and prolific flowering. It's also a great choice for those seeking a hardy, low-maintenance plant. In conclusion, Bidens ferulifolia is a versatile and attractive addition to any garden. Whether you're growing it indoors or out, its vibrant blooms and easy care make it a worthwhile choice for gardeners of all experience levels.